So we have one more to factor completely, and it's 4 terms, so you're kind of suspecting that it's going to be some sort of grouping thing. First, we should check for a GCF. There's no GCF here other than 1, and we don't have to write it if it's a 1. And so you might be thinking, well, why can't I split it 2 and 2? The video is titled as 3 and 1, and I'll show you why though. So if I split those in 2, I do get a GCF of 4x times x minus 3y. And then I can factor this, it's the difference of squares, so I could factor it as 3y plus 5 and 3y minus 5. But then the problem is it's not factored because I have addition, okay? And there's no greatest common factor to pull out. Like there's no 4x in both of them, and this parenthesis is not the same as either one of those. And so even though it's an idea, you could get started that way, it doesn't work. So, yeah. Okay, so I'll rewrite it. 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared minus 25. And so what we tried at the beginning didn't work. It wasn't a bad idea, it just didn't work. Now we're going to split this though with these 3 terms together minus 25. And when I look at this, I see that this is a perfect square and that's a perfect square. So I can think of it as 2x squared, and I can think of this one as 3y squared. And then the question is the middle term, it's going to be minus because of that right there, 2 times and then 2x and 3y. So it's like this is my A and this is my B, and so I'm putting an A and a B here, and then this is 2AB, so I'm seeing if it is a perfect square trinomial. So it is a perfect square trinomial. And so when we have that, we have something like a squared, this time it's minus 2ab plus b squared, and it factors into a minus b squared. So we already know what a and b are, and we can factor these. So it's going to factor into 2x minus 3y, that quantity squared. Now, I still have the minus 25 out here. Now, I haven't done anything with that yet. Okay, now I don't have factoring. It's not factored here because it's subtraction, stuff minus stuff, and I have to have stuff times stuff in order for it to be factored. But what I do have is I have the difference of squares. So I can write this as 2x minus 3y squared minus, and then think of your 25 as 5 squared. So then I have now the difference of squares. And so I can factor it into, and how can I write this so you can see it? It's going to be the 2x minus 3y, and then I'm going to have plus 5, and the other one's going to be 2x minus 3y minus 5. Okay? Now I just put the colors in so you can kind of see what's going on. So this is like the A and this is like the B. So when you have the difference of squares, it factors into A plus B and A minus B. And so, there's my A plus the B, and here's my A minus the B. So the colors and the parentheses, that's just to help you to see what's going on. The way I'd actually write the answer, though, would be 2x minus 3y plus 5 times 2x minus 3y minus 5. So I would take out the parentheses. Okay. And then that's how you do that one. You can check it by multiplying. If you're going to multiply, you'll have to multiply each term here times each one over there. And then the same with this one. So you're going to be like 9 terms. But eventually it would all work out.